I would like to introduce one software provided by Pearson, which is called the TestGen. So this software, I find it is very helpful for creating, especially like multiple choices problems, and then so the interface for this test generator, okay, TestGen, is like this. So the one of the big advantages for using this test generator is that the Pearson has a lot of test banks. Okay, so for example, when you go to this Google web page and you can just type TestGen, computerized test bank, or just TestGen test bank, and then for Thomas calculus. Okay, I mean, since I'm teaching calculus, and then when I Google that, you can see that there are a couple of test banks are here. And if I click this, this is the test bank for the 12th edition for Thomas calculus. And also, when you wrote down, it has the downloadable resources. When you click that, you can see that it has two resources. It's both compressed files, either it's for Mac or for PC. Okay, so I already downloaded one of this. Okay, and then after you downloaded those resources, and then you click this file, and then you can open the test bank. After that, this test bank is already imported into this test generator software. Okay, so you can see this is Thomas calculus 12th edition. When I click, as you can see that it includes all the 16 chapters. So suppose right now I'm teaching calculus, chapter, let's say chapter 2. I want to give students a quiz through the D2L. And then, the quiz, let's see, maybe from session, I don't know, maybe 2.2, okay? So limit of a function and limit laws, okay? So let's just look at a find limit a function from the graph. So we click that. You can see that it gives very, very nice examples here, okay? So it has a graph and then asks you to figure out what's the limit, okay? So now what we can do here is on the right hand side, I create, let's see, I don't know, a paper test, something like this, okay? So it has a header, so you can also edit this header. All you need to do is just double click, and then you can see I can modify this into, let's see, I don't know, so maybe let's call it quiz 1, okay, quiz 1. And then I click OK. And suppose I think problem 2 is a good one. So all you need to do is just drag this, okay, and then put to the right hand side, and you can see the problem is already there, okay. And then now you keep looking, and then you see, well, I don't know, maybe I like this absolute value shape problem, so I just click that, okay. So, and of course, so maybe you look at the final limit of polynomial of power function, something like this, okay, and then you also can click some problem and then just drag there, okay. So, so right now you already have 3 multiple choices on this quiz 1, and then how should we do to put this to our D2L. So here is a key part. So the test generator enter the file, and then there is a part is called the export. Okay, so you click that. Then it will give you a lot of choices. Okay, so you can export your exam to RTF, to HTML, to PDF. But here, since we trying to put those problems into D2L, so the format you select here, it can be Blackboard. Okay, so after you click that, and you can see that this is the let's save that. Let's see, I don't know, Q1. Just save it into my desktop. Okay, so after we save that, so we can see. You see that this q1.zip is here. Okay, so it's a compressed file. So the next part is, okay, how should we put this to our D2L system? Well, if you go to this page, so this is my Cal2 page, and under the setting part, you click, and then you can see that there is a part is called import, export, copy components. So we click that, and then you scroll down and then select the import components. And then you click start. Okay. After that, we can upload our file, and then you just click import all components. So it will start to upload, convert, and import. Okay. So since we only have 3 problems, it should not take that long. Okay. But if you trying to import, I don't know, 100 problems to your library, and it may take a while. Okay. But I think it's worth it, because once it's in the library, it's so easy to create your quiz. Okay, so let's just wait for a second. It's still converting. So it's almost there. Okay, so it's importing right now. Come on. Okay, so we're good. So you can see that it's already imported, and then where we can find them? Well, let's go back to our D2L. So in the course home, so suppose if you click these quizzes, okay, and then you can see that in this question library, and then so I already did something, and then if you look at the folder, the third folder subsection, and you will see that those 3 problems already there. Okay, so if we click one of them, you can see, right, it's already there. So when you trying to create a quiz, I don't know, so for example, this is one of the quiz I'm starting to play. And then, so if you're trying to add or edit questions, so it will give you 2 selections. And you saw if I want to import, browse the question libraries, and then select, look at the third folder. and then you see that those questions are already there. See if I want to click those two, maybe those three, import, and you can see that it's already there. So when you go back to quiz 1, and then just look at the preview, right? So right, I think it's and then so this is very neat. Okay, so I think this is very convenient and to use, especially for the multiple choice. Of course, you can create like short answer problems, but but I think the best part for this software is if you want to create some problems related with multiple choice. So search a test bank, import, and then just grab them to use. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy this video, and hopefully this video can help you prepare the future quizzes or test better. So thank you.